Hello friends, today we'll discuss how to edit a single cell contents in Microsoft Excel. So let us suppose we already have opened Excel and now we'll enter some sample data here, some text data. Supposing I'm writing it, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy duck. See, the contents is too long to be accommodated in a single cell. So either we have to widen the cell width or we can wrap these contents within the single cell. So if the cell width is being widened to adjust the contents, the entire column of this sheet gets enlarged, and let us see how the wrapping looks like. We will minimize it, and within the cell we have to wrap it. What we need to do, come to that cell where the content is available and now come to home and wrap text. It will look like this. Within the cell, the height will be increased and the entire contents will be accommodated automatically. So this is how a long contents can be accommodated within a single cell. Now see how to change the size, font, color of the text. So being in that cell where the content is available, come to the font menu. Font menu will show you a number of choices where a number of fonts are there. Whatever is suitable for your data, you can select. Anyone, and any size. You can increase the size, you can decrease the size, or you can set the size here with font size. Again, you can make it bold, italic, underline. So being in that cell, make it bold. The same text is making itself bold. Just unbold it. You can make it italic. The text becomes italic. Undo it. Make it underline. The entire text is making itself underlined. Undo it. Now you can change the color of the text, any color if you want. And the background of the cell can also be changed, such as this. So this is how commonly we edit the cell contents of any sheet and our data. So within a cell, whatever text or numbers, whatever is there, a part of this can also be changed. Just like, suppose the quick, I want the quick, only the quick word to be italic to show it faster, brown to be brown, jumps over the lazy dog, lazy to be one other color. Select lazy and change the color. So it will be looking like this. If any other cell is containing a number, supposing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's a number, and numbers are automatically, their alignment is towards right. Text are automatically aligned towards left. So if you enter one number, Excel detects your entry and accordingly the alignment is decided. So if this is a number entry, it will be automatically aligned towards right, and later you can change the alignment also. Here the alignment is there. Align text to left or center or the default one. Okay, within the cell, if you increase the cell height within the cell, the automatically the contents are to the bottom. Now you can make it middle, you can make it top. So you make it middle in both the way, vertically and horizontally. It looks like this. Here also you can change the size, font, color, everything. Of the text. So this is how the cell contents of any sheet can be changed according to suitability and readability. Thank you for your watching.